17 amazing facts about your body that explain a lot. For centuries, the human body was a subject of studies and experiments and even inspired inventions like cameras and the Eiffel Tower, which was inspired by the thigh bone. And you would think that throughout history there would be no secrets left to uncover, but this video will prove you wrong. Number 1. The human body can survive a lightning strike. 9 out of 10 people who were ever struck by lightning have survived the encounter. It doesn't even depend on the state of a person's body, since the survivors' ages range from children to people in their 50s. Number 2. A toothache and a headache are linked together. Have you ever noticed that your toothache is linked to your headache? You're not just imagining things. Thanks to the trigeminal nerve that goes through your jaw to your head, those two pains usually go hand in hand. Number 3. The human brain can be more active during sleep. Stages of the human sleep process were discovered in the 1950s, and according to findings, our brains are busier when asleep than when awake. Number 4. We're the only animal who can blush. As a psychological or physical response to our environment, blushing can be perceived as cute, and we are proud to say that humans are the only creatures on Earth that can do it. Number 5. Our brains can't feel pain, but they take up a quarter of the body's oxygen. Our brain, as powerful as it is, possesses no nerve endings that would register pain or damage to it. However, for it to function, it takes up to 25% of all the oxygen your body gets. Number 6. Facial hair is the fastest growing hair on your body. If you ever ask the male population about this, they will agree that they have to face this fact every day when they have to shave. It's probably good that a lot of women find bearded guys attractive. Number 7. The length of all your blood vessels is really impressive. If you take each and every vessel in your body and put it back to back, they'd make up a length of 96,000 kilometers or 60,000 miles in children and a whopping 100,000 miles in adults. Number 8. The female heart beats faster. Canadian scientists revealed that the female heart runs faster at about 1.7 to 2.3 hours ahead of the male heart. It has about 10 beats a minute more. Number 9. Your liver has over 500 functions. Talk about busy bees. Our livers do everything from filtering blood, breaking down and absorbing fats, processing cholesterol and some vitamins, and a ton more. Number 10. The acid in your stomach can melt down metal. Can you imagine if you were carrying around a pouch of extremely powerful acid at all times? Well, you are. We'd never suggest trying this on your own stomach, but just know this, it can dissolve metal over time. Number 11. Your feet make about a liter of water on a rough day. Your foot has 500,000 sweat glands, so it can produce up to 2 pints of sweat a day. Number 12. Coughing can reach a high speed. Your coughing can reach the speed of 50 miles per hour, so, in some states, it's faster than a car speed limit within the city borders. Number 13. The first trimester of pregnancy brings weird dreams. Isn't it peculiar that during the early stages of pregnancy, women dream of frogs, worms, and potted plants? This could have an interesting meaning psychologically or have no meaning at all, but can't we agree that pregnant ladies go through enough as it is? Number 14. At some point, you've been a cell. This fact is simple but very weird. All of us at some point, for about a half an hour, have been nothing more than a single cell. Number 15. Food affects our hearing. Ever tried to ask anybody to do anything after a good lunch? Well, if they didn't do it, it wasn't out of spite. That's because after a heavy meal, our hearing, as well as our energy level, worsens. Number 16. Growing older with less taste. Remember when olives were the worst food ever? If now they seem like a good pairing with a bunch of other foods with sharp tastes, it is because over time with the aging process we're losing taste bud sensitivity, and by the age of 60, people usually lose up to 40% of their sense of taste. Number 17. Sunburns affect your bloodstream. Ultraviolet rays, our skin, receives during a sunburn affects the surface layer of our vessel system in a destructive way. Just another great reason to use sunscreen. What other amazing body facts didn't make our list? Be sure to share your views, and what surprised you the most in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. See you next time.